What are you doing?
I'm washing.
Okay, and then put in the basket if it's done, okay? Look here. Say good morning.
Good morning, I'm washing this one. Look, go be dirty. Wash the plate. Then I put there. And then,
Oh, dalagang Pilipina nga. Okay. Okay, turn around, turn around. Wait, turn around, turn around, turn around. Okay. See, I put rubber band there so that her pants will not fall. Elsie, slowly, slowly. Okay. Oh, sige, you play na. Nice? Okay, good. Oh, see, it's not falling na. Nice, no? Very nice?
yeah, this is my this.
Yes.
What's this?
Ponytail.
Can I cut down the... Papa, can I carry?
Put little water only. Put little water. Okay, and then get again. Put in your basin. Then go back and get again. Okay. Go. That's enough now. Put there na in the basin. Did you wee na? Did you finish wee? Okay, that's enough now. Give me, I'll be the one na lang.
Oh, it's so big. Let's make
You feed na Barbie. She will sleep na also. Okay?
No, she will not sleep. I like to sleep with Barbie.
Okay. Playing with sand again. Very dirty the sand. Don't put in the drama. Very dirty that one. There, you call.
Ken Ken!
Again.
Ken!
Come here. Rito.
Come here!
Oh, there's Mama Mau now. Oh, there's walking. Oh. Oh.
It's not good.
Oh, see? Later Mama Mau is here na. Oh. Okay? You can shout. Can shout. Mama Mau. You shout. Call Mama Mau.
Mama Mau!
Oh. She will hear you. Call. Call.
Mama Mau!
Very loud. Very loud. Call. There.
I want to go and carry them again.
You call Mama Mau to get you.
Mama Mau! Tatawagin ako!
Get me, you tell. Tell Mama Mau, get me, you tell. There's Ken now. Mm. Mm.
I want to go again.
Huh?
I want to...
Oh.
My puppy meow!
Oh. You call Mama Mau to get me na. You shout.
Mau! Hi!
Mama Mau. You call so that she can hear you. There now.
Basta!
Oh, you shout na. You call Mama Mau. You call Mama Mau. There's Mama Mau there, oh. Oh, you call Mama Mau. You call. Oh. Oh, there's you call Mama Mau. There na, oh. Oh. Oh, you call na. Hmm. Oh, no more. Babay na. Mau, sama mo ta. Sama mo.
Nung bago ba kayo tumawag sa akin, saka sila tumatawag? Ano kung kaya mo? Ano yung pula?
Ewan ko. 1, 2, ready, go.
Wow, nakadress. 1, 2, 3.
Paihin mo naman. Oh, may kahoy dyan, may kahoy dyan.
Hindi ka pa umihi? Huwag mabuti ha?
Oh, there's the dog. Si Ken Ken. Asan? Ha? Oh, sige, maghabulan kayong dalawa dyan, Garod. Okay, give water to the dog. Oh. Tell Whitey to drink. No more now. You pull again. Oh, there na. Oh, you see? Nice. No more water. Okay, like that na lang. Little water only, ah. Okay, go. Go and water the plant. There, down. Okay. Okay.